Well, today I want to let you know that Microsoft has rolled out the Quick Steps feature, which was once only available in the desktop version. Now it is available on Outlook for the web. So, what is Quick Steps? Quick Steps allow you to create like a macro or record your steps of things that you do multiple times. Think about that you always apply it to a category and you create a task. Now you can create a shortcut key to be able to apply those actions. So let me show you how. Okay, so the first thing you need to know about Quick Step is that it is not available in the simplified ribbon. So click on the drop down over here, this little symbol here, click on it and make sure you change it to the classic view. So once we in the classic layout and click on an email, let's say we want to give it a category for training and create a task. And normally we would do this one at a time, right? So now if we have one existing, we could do two things. We could click on the drop down and just click on it, or it has been assigned a shortcut key and then we can either apply it that way as well. So let's just go ahead and do it because I want you to see what happens. See how fast that was? You're going to save so much time in handling an email because I just pressed one key and multiple actions were taken care of. To create a quick step that you have to go to the, all settings, and let me show you how to get there because there's actually 3 ways for you to get there. One, just click on this drop down and click on the manage quick steps. That's one. 2, click on the view tab and go to view settings. Notice that I'm still in the classic ribbon. If you are on the simplified ribbon, you can also click on the view tab and view settings. So let's go ahead and do that. And notice in our list, we're going to go to quick steps. Now, this is where you actually can also manage your quick steps. You can edit them. You can, move them up, down to rearrange them. You can actually even delete your quick steps here. But let's go ahead and create one. We're going to give it a name. Let's choose an action. You have a lot to choose from. You can choose how to file your documents, how to change the status, or you want to use categories and tasks and flags. And if you scroll down even further, how you want to respond and round conversations. So you can pick and choose whatever you want. What's really nice with this is you can apply multiple actions. So let's go ahead and choose another action. We could give it a description, and this is optional. And we now can assign it to a shortcut. So you don't have to necessarily assign it to a shortcut key because notice you only get 5 options here. So again, if you want to just click it from the drop down window that we saw in the ribbon, that you can go ahead and do that. But you can also, your top favorite actions that you take on a single email is what you want to select here. Let's go ahead and hit save. So for more Microsoft tricks and tips, subscribe to my channel so you can explore, experiment, and execute effectively. Now, go work your magic.